I'm Father Emil Giao, the parish priest of San Guillermo Parish. Welcome to our parish.
I wander around the things I thought existed. So I enter your house with intent to reverse my...
Here is the top of the church before, and now it's buried under by the sun because of the volcano eruption way back in 1991. So this is what happened to the church now.
And I was sleeping in a twin-sized bed. I could never bend you back or forward. I could never taste the air that you breathe, and I could never tell what's wrong or right in my mind. I'd love to take you home, but there's something.
Alright guys, welcome back to Adventure Continues. And now we are here inside the Parish Church of San Guillermo. And I'm going to show you some relics and some statues. So here we go, we're gonna start over here on this side, guys.
Invested my time in thoughts that
Now we're gonna move on the second part on the other side of the church.
I'll die, trying to convince my mind, and I was afraid.
This is my favorite photo here, guys. With a frame of Kodak film.
And not with thoughts that take.
Alright guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy my quick tour in San Guillermo, one of the oldest parish church again, I'm telling you. And I hope you guys don't forget to subscribe on my channel at the Travelers Adventure Continues, and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well, okay guys? So more videos this 2020. God bless you all guys. Thank you.